So this is the Google Nest Mini, and in my opinion, you should buy it right now, and here's why. Hey guys, Lewis here, and today I'm going to be talking about why I think you should buy the Google Nest Mini. First, let's talk about the design. This is covered with a premium fabric finish on the front and is an overall premium feeling speaker. The design of the speaker makes it so that you need to be plugged in to actually use this, which is very annoying in my opinion. Most speakers actually need to be plugged in anyway, but there are portable speakers from JBL and stuff like that out there, which you don't have to be plugged in, so hopefully in the third gen they'll fix it. As you can see, I've got the black color. I thought the black color would be nice because it contrasts with white walls, which is the kind of walls we have, so it actually stands out, which is something I love. But if you're not a fan of the black color, there are 3 other color choices to choose from: black, white, pink, and sky blue. Another thing I like about the design is that you can physically turn the mic in this device off. If you can see the little toggle back there, if you turn that on, then the mic will be activated. If you turn it off, then it's an extra peace of mind. So the second thing I'd like to talk to you about is the sound quality. This sounds phenomenal for its price, which is £19. Very good value. This has 2 times stronger bass than the original Google Home Mini and sounds clear and rich in my opinion. This sounds even better though when hung to a wall. Play Don't Understand by Dylan Sitz. Hey Google, play I Was Messed Up by Ella Faye.
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough.
Fed Up by Mensah, sure. Playing on Deezer.
Still try. I get so fed up. Sometimes it's hard to keep my head up. I get so fed up. Yeah. Calling it quits. Look at all the dumb stuff that I did. Said I wouldn't be just like my dad, but I went ghost on 2 of my kids. No cap, just might pop 10 more of these pros. So hard to forget. I don't really want to go back. I really need a fresh start. Could really use some other.
Keep playing.
Been in rehab, I don't really want to relapse. That ain't.
To activate Google Assistant with this, you have to tap this twice, then to make it louder you tap this side, and to make it lower you tap this side. So the third reason why I think you should buy the Google Nest Mini 2nd generation is if you are in the ecosystem. This meaning if you have lights that are compatible with Google Assistant, for example you could ask a speaker like this to turn them on, then this would be perfect for you. This works natively with an Android phone because of the Google Home app. So if you have an Android phone, especially a Pixel, it's even better. It also works well with other products like the Fitbit Versa 3, or any watch that has Google Assistant activated and is capable of doing so. So for example, if my watch was connected to my phone, then I could say, hey Google, broadcast blah 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 blah, and it will broadcast to other devices. Very convenient. Another thing I do love about the Google Nest Mini is some of its smart features. I've talked about a little bit of those already, but I'd like to also talk about routines. Routines is basically a way that you can set your Google Nest Mini to do certain things. For example, if you tell the Google Assistant good night, it can read out your calendar, for example, tell you if there are any alarms for tomorrow, tell you about your phone's battery level, and even read the news or weather to you, which is very convenient. So at £19, this is a great device. So to conclude this video, should you buy the Google Nest Mini? Absolutely, this is an amazing smart speaker, and for £19, and not for much longer £19, this is a phenomenal deal. Of course, using links down below will help support my channel, so if you would, that would really appreciate it. And if you like this video, make sure to like and comment down below. Are you going to buy the Google Nest Mini for yourself? Or even for someone else for Christmas? Or are you going to buy the Google Nest Mini in general? It's been Lewis from Mensah Tech Reviews, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.